Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. Actually, this is what I made for Caroline's, Sweet Caroline's birthday challenge. If you don't know who Caroline is, she is My Crafty Adventure on YouTube and also on Instagram. So let's start. This is the envelope I made. I made her a card. Her requirements, all she wanted was a Memdex and 2 Crafter's Choice projects. So that's due March 29th. So I just finished it up, and this is the envelope I made. So it's sweet treats theme. So I figured, let me make her a fruit drink. It used to shake and now it doesn't. So anyway, there you go. I made her a little cocktail drink, and there's a cherry and a strawberry and some citrus slices and some ice cubes in there. So yeah, that's what I put together. And I'm using the Hooray collection. Majority of the pieces are with the Hooray collection. This cardstock here and these cut aparts. So that's what I got going on. I just used a sticker from Dollar Tree to create my closure. So it looks like that. I made the envelope using the envelope punch. So here is my card, and this card is 4x6, I believe. Yeah, 4x6. All right. I cut out a piece of the cake decorative paper or decorative cardstock, and I did some stitching around the edges. I have a balloon punch, and I don't know where it is right now. This was in my stash. I created these balloons for another birthday challenge that I entered a while back. But this was in the stash because I didn't use it that time. So this is what I did. I had some foam in there, and I used some really thin wire to make the tails. There's a little bow. Picked up this cupcake. It was actually a gift. I don't remember who, but yeah, I put it on there. And I put this little sentiment from a Dollar Tree sticker pack. I don't know where it is, guys. My room is tore up again. But just wrote my little note in there, and I added my sticker. So that is the card I made. I am not a birthday card maker or a card maker, period. I don't enjoy it, is what I'm trying to say. But I will do it, you know, once in a while. I used some stickers from my stash, and I just put her name on here. So that is the card. Sorry. I found one of these coin pouches in my stash, and I just, added some goodies in there. I'm not going to open it up. And this paper clip was also in my stash. It's got little pom-poms. I thought that looked cute, like cotton candy. This is a cut apart from the paper pad collection, so there you go. It's got some donuts on there. The Memdex card I made for her is using our KS Crafts recent die. It's a bag topper, actually, and this is the shape of the bag topper right here, but I used my Memdex punch to create it as a Memdex card. This piece right here is another KS Craft die. These flowers were gifted to me, and I just finally found them in my stash. The little resin gummy bears, those are from Carmen Q Crafts, and she recently started trying to bring her shop back. So guys, go check her out on Instagram. Excuse me. And then I have the peeps from the bag topper, and these little shades and bow ties and stuff come with the die. So I added to my little peeps because it's a sweet treat, right? Sweet treats. I have another cupcake die back here. I double layered the frosting on the cupcake. You can barely see my cupcakes back there. And then this is a Michaels cardstock stickers, and I've had that in my collection for a while, so I use that. They're like cake pops. And then this Sweet Treats is another die in my stash. I believe it's a KS Crafts. I'm not sure, but that is what I've got for you. Oh, this Blade of Grass dies. This is from a recent release from KS Crafts. It's the large flower. This is the center. You're supposed to roll it up and that will create your center for your flower. But I used it as grass, so I hope she likes it. And I just put Happy Birthday Caroline and my sticker on the back and the year. So yeah, that's what the back looks like. I hope she likes it. So there you go. And I just wanted to put it in a little bag to protect it so the pieces don't get jumbled in the mail and they come off. So there you go. That's my Memdex card. So the two items, the Crafter's Choice, I made a, actually this is, this is an experiment. This I cut with my Cricut. I don't know about the eyes. She could color it in with the Sharpie if she doesn't like the eyes. But anyway, it's a macaroon. It's on Cricut Design Space. It's a free cut file with your, membership. This is a Dollar Tree paper clip. It's a rainbow paper clip. They came out with, or not paper clip, clothespin. And on the front, it has the rainbow and it says love. It was a few years back it came out, but I used it, just attached it to my macaron, and that is the topper for this. These are rosettes that are from the Rosette Guru, and I just added a Dollar Tree donut sticker. You guys, don't sleep on Dollar Tree stickers. They're dimensional stickers. They have so many that you could use, and it doesn't even look like Dollar Tree. This little banner is a fussy cut from the paper collection again. Hooray. So it's this one, and this is another Dollar Tree sticker. So I put that little rosette together for her she could use. And then I created my own rosette, and I used this tool. I believe it's from Hobby Lobby. And it's got these little, I want to say they look like little bling. So yeah, but they look like they were hot glued on there. So I made little rosettes using that. Thought it looked like candy. So I made that. And then I had these little rosettes in my stash. And this Dollar Tree cupcake sticker is so dimensional. I just added that directly on top. I didn't want to decorate them too much. She could use these to, pull apart or decorate further. But that is what I created for her. Another one I used was a Cricut Design Space ice cream cone. And I don't usually cut these, layering pieces on with my Cricut, but I thought they came out cute. Now, this cut file does not have a face. I created this in Design Space, and I just had it cut out with the machine. And I layered those on to the cardstock, and I added an offset so that I could have something to add it to, the pieces. So I made two, and I put it in this little baggie here. And I also had shared some enamel dots with her. Those are also from Dollar Tree. Now it won't go back in the way I had it. But there you go. And so I just want to, there we go, like that. All right, so that's what I made for Caroline. And the last thing I put together actually is this little sweet treat tray. I thought it was cute. It's a Dollar Tree plate. And she pulls all these off, and they're very usable. I just attached it with hot glue, and you know, with hot glue, they don't like to stay permanent, so especially with the erasers. So she could pull all of these off and use them as charms and dangles and all that stuff. I just hot glued it. I thought it was another way to, a creative way to share some goodies without putting an embellishment box in. I thought it was sweet. So there you have it. I'm going to box these up and send them off to her. Oh, and I also will be including this little sticker collection from Dollar Tree. It's got some treats on there for her. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little project share, and I hope Caroline enjoys what I made for her. Thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and join my crafty family. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video just like this. So fun, so fun. So thank you all again, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.